Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm back to my kitchen and I'm making a chocolate Easter treat. It's a very easy thing to do. And also this is a great pre-Easter kids activity. Melt your chocolate either in the microwave or in the water bath. It can be dark chocolate if you want it to be less sweet. Then place baking paper on the tray and then cake pop sticks on top of it. Make sure you cool down your chocolate properly. It shouldn't be too liquid. I didn't use the thermometer here and just waited till the chocolate becomes the skin temperature level. And then I waited a bit more until it was thick enough to make the shapes. When you draw the circles, make sure that the layer is not too thin, otherwise it will break easily. But you can easily adjust the diameter to make sure that there is not too much chocolate per one person. You can also change the decorations to your taste too. It can be dry fruit or coconut. When you finish decorating, place the tray into the fridge and take it out in about 30 minutes to check. During this time, the chocolate in the fridge will be chilled and set. By the way, if you like baking and cooking, make sure you subscribe to my channel. My channel is all about cooking, baking, traveling and trying new food. And please let me know in comments what's your favorite Easter food. And here is the result 30 minutes after. The chocolate is set and doesn't fall off the stick. And here is more chocolate decorated with all sorts of patterns. I hope you enjoyed watching this short video. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one.